Bro, the 6 beat right here, bro. But let's go check it out. Go check it out, bro. Come on.
Best way to start the vlog. So yeah, man, we're gonna go in here, get up out this heat because it's hot as hell. There's a whole bunch of different vendors out here, so we're gonna check them out as well, give them a shout out. And yeah, man, let's get it. Got anything to say to the camera, my boy?
What's up, man?
All the girls hit him up, man. He's single. Single, ready to mingle, huh?
Hell yeah. Project Tour headquarters right here, man. With the one and only Project Tour headquarters, as you can see right here. We got the one and only.
Gates just opened, and we already got people asking for the best micheladas.
I already drank it up, man.
Micheladas and chapulín, baby.
Come through. Look, saca la billeta, mira. Hey, just paper, no, it's man, okay. Calling them out again?
Man, you see? Got the $100 out.
Call them out.
Everything.
I throw the camera. I'm gonna put my cigarette. Someone right here.
That bird talk. No, we be getting them lows in. Nigga, stop playing. Real. Cap, go get them. Huh? All I know is get a load, flush it and repeat. Every time I meet the plug, I location be discreet. Like my face is to the left, bitch, I keep my money neat. Learned the game off 10-300, I ain't capping, ask Lil B. Tinted windows when we creep, get up close, jump out on feet. And if ain't nobody died, then it ain't no real beat. One of my uncles keep a puncher, yeah, his ass a real thief. I been thumbing through that money before you seen your bird steep. I ain't dropping no location, push it, leave it in the streets. Steady posting on IG, we supposed to keep it G. Fire 'em up like Miami, I can merch, I keep the heat. And I put that shit on G, got some shit to sweep a street. And we blowing backwoods, the op don't fit in Swish or Sweet. Bitch, my B-Day in October, all I know is trick or treat. Bitch, we taxing on the drop, don't come around, you want the cheap. Way we run it up so fast, they swear to God we got the cheat. And we really in the streets, we ain't ducking from no beef. Hit your pussy ass outside and we jumping out on feet. Put that pistol on my hip before I even brush my teeth. I gotta make it back to my daughter with a plate that she can eat. They say we some young shine, they think we signed the EST. We been grinding, fuck some diamonds, fuck an M we wanna be. You niggas some sidewalk gangsters, y'all ain't never in the street. On that pavement every day, you know that everybody eats. And every time they think they good, we turn they part of the track meet. And when we creep, we 20 deep, so niggas better take a seat. And don't come fucking with LC unless you ready to meet the heat. We got some shit to chop a tree, the first one play gon' DIE, and that's on me. All I know is get a load, flush it and repeat. Every time I meet the plug, I location be discreet. Like my face is to the left, bitch, I keep my money neat. Learned the game off 10-300, I ain't capping, ask Lil B. Tinted windows when we creep, get up close, jump out on feet. And if ain't nobody died, then it ain't no real beat. One of my uncles keep a puncher, yeah, his ass a real thief. I been thumbing through that money before you seen your bird steep. D.I.E. Nah, for real, man. Young Shana, huh? Young Shana, huh? Young Shana, huh? Hey, young Shana, young Shana.
Say, man, what's good with it, baby? So I know it's a lot of music in the background, but y'all gonna get what y'all can get, man. We right here at Project Twerk. We got my boys out here filming. These boys are professionals right here. Man, I'm trying to talk over the music.
What's up, Freddy? Yeah.
Say, man, that boy Freddy got a whole bunch of gems in this joint.
Bro, look, check
Pressure,
it out,
bro.
What's up? You vlogging already?
Yeah.
Alright, check it out, look. This man right here is the OG burnout truck, the Freddy Lsx right here. This man doesn't fuck around, as you can see, man. He don't play around, bro. The boy shooting at least 200 shot nices right there, bro. You got the first kit on there and everything, man. I'm telling you, look at this.
Them bows got a heartbeat, nigga. Trapping ain't dead. If I ain't a young trapper, then what do you call it? Hot and body got bows, but I'm knowing it's all cap. We get money, your trap don't really roll if you ain't ran through like 100. And it was 4th and inches, still made them niggas punt it. See deep down inside, them niggas know the murder run it. And murder go get it and put it up, don't do no stunning. Ain't think that I'm blooded the way a young nigga be hunting. Hot and body did that in this, but knowing niggas be front. Phone a baby riding strap, let's get to it. If they talking bees, niggas know that we run through it. This hustling in my blood, look daddy, I wasn't influenced. See gambling with your life, but it better have some insurance. Work, I can show you how to get it off. If you get jammed, don't open your motherfucking mouth.
If y'all hear a lot of music in this video, it is what it is, man. But I'm here with my boys. They put me on this game. with photography and video. Shut yourself up.
Right here, Space City Media. We Project Torque headquarters. We inside you, baby. We out here with my boy.
Bro, Martinez Productions, bro. Kiwi with my boy. Space City Media, bro. Aquí. Always killing it with the shots, bro. Always.
Telling you, bro. We out here getting a couple little B-roll shots, a couple little cinematography shots would be good. This man's learning. He's in the process of learning, but he gonna get it, man. The man behind the camera right here, though. You already know, my boy.
You see what it is and what it's looking like. They got the whole street. Man, we out here in the front. It's hot as hell. Say, man, cool rule of thumb of life. Drink water. Stay hydrated, baby. I'm not paid, no paid promotion. We're out here with the boys, you know what I'm saying? Still chilling, waiting for everything to turn up. Yeah, man, stay hydrated. I don't know why it's dark as hell. Let's go. Hey.
Man, bro, it's cold in here, bro.
Got AC. Living life at the most, in the most highest fashion. All right, brother, I ain't gonna, huh? My boy say he go to every truck meeting.
All of them, bro. Little media passes, dog.
Por lados, cuz.
Media pass. Next one coming up.
You get media passes? Shit, I'm a part of the media team too then. Hey man, I just changed my name to Raymond HTX on YouTube. So follow me on Instagram, Raymond HTX, and on YouTube, Raymond HTX. Go follow me on Instagram at Raymond HTX. We lit. They got the whole parking lot popping. Got the lawman, got the nice wood, it's Harley. Yes sir. Got the laws outside. Over here try to pop me in the smoke. Hey, good to see you, bro.
Come on, man, the boy Jay Harrison, Jay Versace Harrison, here in Conroe, Texas, man. 45 North, Project Sword, Houston Car Meets. You already know how it's going down, man. It's definitely going down, man. We doing it big. Hey, Canelo, Triple G fight, man. I'm going for Alvarez all night, baby, all day.
Homeboy made it inside Project Torque. He made it, bro.
We out here at Project Torque headquarters. Check them out. Come try the best fucking michelada chapulín. Out here, man. We're with my boys.
Yeah, man, y'all go follow me, man. I need all the views I could get. I need all the likes I could get. Because right now, we're not trying to go back broke. Shout out to my boy Freddy Lsx. He's right here on the camera.
Like, follow, subscribe.
Hey, yeah.
Boy right here, man.
All that shit.
Get the money calls right here.
Everything, man. Get money calls. You got to come up. You got to stay down so you come up. We're out here living life at its most finest. I got my boy up behind the camera right now, so appreciate him. And yeah, man, we gonna play the vlog right now. In a little bit, once everything gets pumping and jumping, get back at y'all. Let's go.
My boy's car right here, Raymond HTX. Space City Media approved, bro. Let's see, check it out, bro. Let's pop it on that bad boy. About to get blessed real quick. Let's see. Boom. Let's go. Blessed by your man, Space City Media.
Martinez Production, Fat Boy approved.
Where's the black card at? Look, fully netto. You know?
Man, where's it at?
Boy, ain't got shit in there,
Where's it
bro.
at? Oh,
Put a tweet card, bro.
shit.
You got the LV jersey, bro. The Astros, man.
That's one of a kind right here. You mess around, you get that, bro.
Go, check out Mad Designs, bro. Check them out. Check them out.
Hey, yeah, Mad Designs, Mad Jerseys. Y'all go like, follow me on Instagram and YouTube.
Come on, bro.
We gonna get paid promotion around here. Damn, my boy say you ride on that motherfucker. That boy finna get pull over by the laws. Look at him. That boy trifling. Say, man, these dudes really want me to come out here and act like this cop arrested me. So look, man, the whole crowd is popping. We gonna record these cops. I know it's a lot of music, but we gonna see what they say.
Oh, no.
Ain't no way.
I didn't do it.
Ain't no
free
way.
me, bro. Free me. Damn it, boy. Hey, he got me, bro. He hurt my arm, dude. Ah, fuck no, dude. That hurt like a motherfucker, man. God damn.
You're gonna press a lawsuit, right?
I'm pressing lawsuit. I need your badge number, please, sir.
I ain't got it. You got a badge number?
Hey, appreciate you, bro.
You got a badge number?
They switch our badges out in September.
Oh, yeah? Look. All right, man. So in this video, we're going to also do Canelo versus Triple G. So right here, we got
Team Canelo.
fans.
Team Canelo, bro. I'm another Team Canelo, bro. Let's get it,
For
man.
me, y'all already know, man, since I've been boxing and out of boxing, it's always been Team Canelo. Hey, Canelo or Triple G?
Canelo.
Canelo. Okay, so we got one, two,
Mexico,
we got
bro.
4. All right, appreciate it, brother. Next meeting. What's your name? Michael. So great officer over here in Conroe. Hey, you got Canelo or Triple G? Canelo. So
Everybody's Canelo, apparently, bro.
hey, Canelo or Triple G? Canelo, Triple G.
And the only reason is because
Canelo or Triple G? Canelo. Say, man, so we got more Canelo fans right now than Triple G. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got like 8. What is it, like 8?
That's like
Canelo?
8. It's 8-1, bro.
8-1. So
and the only reason I'm saying Canelo, Triple G is because Canelo lost.
yeah.
So, you know, that's mental. That's mental.
What about
Canelo or Triple G? Canelo. Canelo. Hey, say, man. Oh shit. Canelo's in the lead right now. So y'all comment down below who y'all want to win. And by the time this video's out, y'all already see who won. But y'all gonna see how much Canelo fans are out here for real.
Like, another book, Canelo. What's up, man?
Yes, sir.
Man, you gonna get copyrighted.
Nah. We gonna talk over it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I hope we can talk over it. But who you got?
Canelo.
Who
you got?
I got Canelo.
Okay.
So
How many people you got so far that got
everybody
triple?
got Canelo except for one person. So it's like 10 against 1 right now. 10 against 1. 10 on Canelo.
Where's the other person?
1 on Triple.
I want to know what he's smoking.
He's somewhere around here. I don't know.
I want to know what he's smoking.
Yeah, see, so even YouTube on the budget said he's smoking that good. Not
You
that
gotta turn
fine.
this way, man. Cause your speaker's gonna get the fucking music.
Yeah, so, you know, we ain't trying to get copyrighted. So yeah, we gotta come over here. Yeah, so we got 9 against 1 on Canelo.
Canelo, bro.
Yep.
Canelo
So,
all the way, man.
Yeah, so let's go.
Canelo.
We're gonna go interview some more people right now. See who else got Canelo. Let's go. Say, man, so right now, everything is jumping. Oh shit, out of focus. Everything is jumping right now. Everything is popping. You heard YouTube on the budget goes for Canelo. So, hey man, there's not too many people going for Triple G, but they might do an upset. So, y'all stay tuned, baby. We lit. Say, man, y'all go follow Mariscos El Sinaloa. I'm gonna put his TikTok and everything up here on the screen. Mariscos El Sinaloa, man. Go follow him. Go subscribe on TikTok. Let's go, baby.
We got my boy Freddy. What's up, Freddy? Let's give it up for Project Tour.
I was talking about Leo, but that's fine. Okay.
Hey, make some noise for Triple G. Let's go for Triple G. Hey, Canelo. Make some noise for Canelo. There you go. Hey, I love it. We gonna Mexico. Let's go.
Say, man, I hope y'all been enjoying all the content that I've been putting out. I know there's music in the background, man, but y'all remember to like, comment, share, subscribe on every single video. You know, we had YouTube on the budget. We also had a few more people, man, comment Canelo all day.
And still, the undisputed super champion
Say, man, so it's been a great night. I appreciate my boy Freddie for inviting us out here. Everybody's taking off. Everybody's out here turned up, man. Just enjoying the night. As everybody probably already seen, damn, this focus is something different. But as everybody already seen, man, that boy Canelo done took that dub like I knew he would, man. Like everybody knew he would. So, yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching. Probably gonna go grub. I'll probably holler at y'all in a little bit. Let's go.
Hey, what's good, boys? Yeah. Add me on the snap, ACX_Victor.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ain't got no hold. Fuck it. Hey, you know what to do. Hey, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel,
like,
motherfucker.
subscribe.
Like and
Hey,
subscribe.
hey, comments up. Yeah. Hey, what's your highest like video?
20K.
Alright, get this whole 25K.
Fuck that, 50K right now.
50K right now, nigga. OTM, you gonna see us again. Yeah. Alright, then, my boy. Hey, when you gonna post it?
In like 2 days.
Alright,
Alright.
Hey, YouTube channel the same?
HTA, yeah, Raymond HTA.
Alright,
bro.
Hey, make sure you get me though.
I got you.
Edit me.
Alright.
You know, make me look good.
Oh shit, crazy night, man. So we finna get up out of here. Ooh. You said what? You said what?
I said, homie, 100 meters, but it's on the kind of dope.
You wanna shout out your Instagram or what?
Yeah, it's FW_bar. Wait, let me see real quick.
Your old boy said you gonna put it out for y'all.
Oh, wait.
You got Instagram too? Bro, I know you got Instagram. Everybody got Instagram.
I got TikTok, I got
This shit
Instagram.
focus. Alright, bet. What is it? Alright, bet. Yeah, man, y'all go follow him. A funny dude. He wanna get beat by Officer Stick.
Yeah.
Say, man, I hope y'all been enjoying this content. Y'all remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And also, man, comment down below what type of other videos y'all like. We got Lil Baby playing in the background, Lil Durk. But yeah, man, y'all remember to comment down below what type of videos y'all like to see. Today, just one type of video at Freddy Lsx. You know, just some type of videos I'm trying to start getting into posting when I'm into car content. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all remember to go follow me at Raymond HTX. So, oh, she is cute. Anyways, I'm single for anybody who wants to know. Nah, man, but y'all be easy, man. We out. Let's go.